head. Sometimes I wish that I was dead, broken. So I called this therapist and she said, girl, you can't be fixed, just take this. I'm tired of trying to be